Maybe someday we can work it out, but I'm afraid it's too late to try. Baby, I don't dare to love you, and you know the reason why.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So I know I've been gone for a minute, but I'm back with the jump off. Today I'm gonna give you guys a different kind of video. I know you guys are used to just like makeup and doing my natural hair, but lately I've been kind of wanting to try something different, and as you can see from the title of the video, that something different happens to be a wig. And not just any wig, it's gonna be a headband wig. I have never worn a wig before or tried a wig before, so I'm really excited about this. And I have not opened this package. I have not looked into it. I don't know what's in there. I mean, I know what I ordered, so I know it should be in there, but I know what I'm expecting, and I'm hoping my expectations are met today and I'm satisfied with this purchase. But I'm really excited. So let's get into it. I got this hair from Luvme hair. Okay, inside it's a really pretty box, and it says, enjoy your hair journey from now on. Helena, the founder of Luvme hair. Okay. Okay, so the first thing that's in here is the wig. Ooh. Y'all, I'm excited, but I'm nervous. I don't know, but here's the hair, okay? Okay. And then, what did they send? Oh my God, a hot comb? Y'all, they sent me a hot comb. All right. They also have, what is this? A little pouch that says Luvme hair. It's really cute. And let's see what's in here. Okay, got a baby hair brush. You know, get them edges laid, some bobby pins. Okay, I don't know what this is, but y'all probably know what this is if you wear wigs. Maybe it's for that, I'm not sure. Okay, it has a little clip that says love me. That's cute. Okay, eyebrow tweezers. Oh, this is probably to pluck the lace. You know, I'll be watching the videos. Okay, so to pluck the lace and stuff like that. And then they also sent a wig cap. They also sent me a whole bunch of headbands. All right, so they sent me, okay, like a army print or camo, whatever. This one is like, I don't know, some sort of print. That's this one. And then they sent this one, which is like, of course, the cutest one. They sent this one. And then they also sent this bright yellow one as well. This one's cute too. I like it because it's real bright and happy. 5 headbands, okay. All right, now let's get into the main thing, which is this wig. Okay, so here's the wig. It's still in the net. It looks really pretty though, really pretty. And I got it in 22 inches. Inches, girl, inches. And I got, it's a multicolor one in 22 inches because I felt like the 1B color is just too dark for my, for my hair and just for my skin tone. And so I got the multicolor one because I felt like it would fit. But look at how pretty that is, guys. So pretty. I'm excited. Ooh! All right, so before I go ahead and put the wig on, I'm gonna go ahead and just get my edges together. Nothing too crazy, but just, you know, spice them up. Just make them look like something. Okay, this is my hair. So I don't wear wigs, so you know, I got a big head, y'all. So I'm just hoping that this is good enough because I do have twists in my hair right now. So, and then I have the twist, and then all I did was like the twist from the ponytail, I just pinned them up so it could be as flat as possible. So that's what we're working with. So I'm just gonna go ahead and lay these edges real quick. Probably speed through this part because I mean, we all know how to do edges. All right, honestly, this is probably gonna be the best that I'm gonna do right now because I'm really anxious to get this wig on my head. And you know, if I was to do my edges, like really try, it usually takes so long. And I don't feel like I'm that good at edges. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get this on my head. It has 4 clips, so it has, let's see, 1, 2, 3. So 3 in the front, 1 in the middle, 2 on the sides, and then it has 1 on the bottom or the back, right here. All right, and then if I'm not mistaken, it doesn't have a adjustable strap on the back of it, but it does have a Velcro strap that should go around the back of your head. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and try this wig. Oh my God. Okay. I don't know why this is funny to me. It is strange as hell. I'm not used, like, I've never worn a wig, so it's just feeling like just strange. I'm used to like my natural hair being so big. Okay. All right. Okay, so it's on. I used all of the straps. This is crazy. I feel like I look just, I don't know, like different. I don't know. Okay, so I used the clips. I have the one in the center and the sides in, and I also used the one in the back. And honestly, it feels quite comfortable. I know that, and it feels like secure. I know that there were some videos that I watched or reviews or whatever where people were like worried about the size of it, and I don't know. It seems fine to me. I don't know. It's soft. It feels really good. It's really soft, and I do feel like my head is real big in the back though. I might have to try to like make it flatter. Okay, so the curls are really nice. You could leave it like this, but for me, I like hair bigger. So I think what I'm going to do is just take my fingers and kind of just run through it so that it can kind of like get bigger. Okay, so I feel like I fluffed her out enough, at least as much as I'm gonna get for right now. If you don't like your hair like bigger, you definitely could have not done this. You could have just kind of left it how it was, maybe play with it a little bit, but I like it big. Like, I guess you could kind of leave it like this is how most people wear it, or you could probably do like maybe like a side kind of a thing. Oh, this is cute. Okay, this is cute. You do it like this, or you could just leave it hot fuzz. I think this is cute, and it's very much possible for you to do like a low pony, or pin it up, or do a high ponytail, depending on the band that you use. Like I said, I should do mine way flatter. I'll do that like I'll put my hair flatter underneath next time, because now I know. I probably won't have the twists underneath there. This is cute. And here's where it's falling on me, right here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is just try on some headbands, and I'll try on just a few of the ones that they sent with the wig. So of course I'm gonna try this one on because it's my favorite one and it's so cute. Okay, here's this one. I think it's cute. Okay, and then I'm gonna try this one because these are the two that I really liked. So I'm gonna try this one, and the back of this one is a lot different. It's more like kind of a scrunchie. This is cute. These are cute. Like this wig is cute. Like I know for next time I'm gonna make sure that my hair underneath is more flat, but like she's cute. What you guys like? Okay, and so I also went ahead and purchased some other headbands from Shein. I'm gonna have a lot more as well, and I'll probably feature those in some other videos. But they were just different types of bands, and I just wanted to feature at least one or two of those just to show you with this wig what they would look like. Okay, so the first one is, it's like this thick, really thick band, kind of basic color. And the good thing about this, because it's so thick, like you can wear it like over your ears like that if that's your zhizh, you know what I mean, if that's your thing. Or it's really thick in the back, so if I wanted to do like a ponytail, I could put it in a ponytail, you know what I'm saying, and then put this over the back because it's so thick and it would cover the back. You know what I'm saying? See? That's cute. What I'm going to do though is take it from over my ears. This is cute. I like it, and it's like a simple color. Really, really cute. I like. The last one I got is like this. And I've been seeing ones that are similar to this. The only difference is that they were more rounded at the top, so they protruded higher. And I kind of didn't really like that, so I looked for one that was kind of more flat, but still had the kind of jewel or beaded look, just to kind of give it that glam. So if you wanted to wear your headband wig out, really cute, really fancy, you could still do that and have that sort of look and accessorize accordingly. Okay, so we're going to try this on. Oh, she's crowned. Yes, ma'am. Guys, I love it. I love it. This wig is so cute. I can't wait to like install it like really good. Have my hair flat. I don't know if I keep saying that, but like, this is cute. Alright, beauties, well, that's pretty much it. I went through the headbands. I showed you guys the wig, and I showed you a couple of the headbands that I got from Shein. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video and that you guys like me in this wig. I know it's a little bit different for me. I'm still getting used to it, but I think I look really good. I think I look beautiful, and the wig is so easy, so simple. It's a headband wig. I mean, come on, like, I hope that you guys like this video. I hope that you guys like the wig. If you guys do like it, I'll put the information about it down in the description box below, so you guys can go ahead and purchase it yourself, or at least just check out the site if you're interested in that. Anyways, I will see you guys next time in my next video. Stay tuned. Bye, beauties.
I'm just not the right kind of girl for you. You deserve somebody who's loving you. You shouldn't call me later. Promise it's for the better. I'm just not the right kind of girl for you, 'cause I got a rule. I hold on to my heart.